Good afternoon, everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss successive differentiation. Now, new topic, successive differentiation. Let y equal fx be any function then first order derivative can be denoted dy dx is equal to y1 equal to f dash x. Similarly, second order derivative denoted by d2y upon dx2 equivalent to y2 equivalent to f double dash x. Now third order derivative del qy upon del x cube equivalent to y3 is equal to f3 dash. Okay student, now to dot nth order derivative d to the power n y dxn is equal to yn equivalent to f n x. Okay, there are derived but some important formulas for successive differentiations. Now, in which let y equal to e to the power ax. Okay, now first derivative can be written as y1 is equal to a e to the power ax. Now second derivative y2 a square e to the power x, y3 a to the power 3 e to the power ax up to dot dot yn equal to e to the power n e to the power ax. Okay, that is d to the power n e to the power ax equal to a to the power n e to the power x can be written as. This is the successive differentiation of e to the power ax. Now for second, let y is equal to ax plus b whole power minus 1. Now first derivative y1 can be written as minus 1 ax plus b whole power minus 2 into a. Now y2 second derivative y1 minus 1 into minus 2 ax plus b whole power minus 3 into a square. Similarly, third successive differentiation y3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 into ax plus b whole power minus 4 a to the power 3 up to dot yn equal minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 dot dot minus n into ax plus b whole power minus n plus 1 into a to the power n. Now we can write d to the power n ax plus b whole power minus 1 equal to, now here there are n terms. Now taking minus 1 common, minus 1 to the power n. Now 1, 2, 3 up to dot n can be written as factorial n a to the power n upon ax plus b whole power n plus 1. This is the second formula of successive differentiation. Now third, let y equal ax plus b whole power m. If n is less than m. Now we can write first derivative y1 m ax plus b whole power minus m minus 1 into a. Now y2 m minus 1 ax plus b whole power m minus 2 into a square. Similarly, third derivative y3 m minus 1 m minus 2 ax plus b whole power m minus 3 into a to the power 3 dot dot. We can write yn m minus 1 m minus 2 up to dot m minus n minus 1 whole bracket into ax plus b whole power m minus n into a to the power n. Okay, this is only possible when m is greater than n. Now if n is greater than m, then yn will be 0. Okay, now for formula number 4, y equal log ax plus b. Now differentiate with respect to x. 1 times y1 a upon ax plus b can be written as ax plus b whole power minus 1 into a. Similarly, y2 minus 1 ax plus b whole power minus 2 into a square. Now y3 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 ax plus b whole power minus 3 into a cube up to dot yn equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 dot dot minus n minus 1. Okay, now ax plus b whole power minus n a to the power n. Now there are n minus 1 terms here. Now taking minus 1 common, now minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 a to the power n upon ax plus b whole power n. This is the nth term of log ax plus b. Okay, now next formula number 5. If y equal sin ax plus b. Now differentiate with respect to x 1 times, that is y1 a cos ax plus b. Now here we can write answer in terms of sin ax plus b plus pi by 2. This is the first derivative of y. Similarly, y2 is equal to a square cos ax plus b plus pi by 2. Now can be written as a square sin ax plus b plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay student, here ax plus b plus pi by 2 is a theta. Now 90 plus theta is equal to cos 90 plus theta is equal to sin theta. Here we can write y2 equal to a square sin ax plus b plus 2 pi by 2. Now we can say y1 is ax plus b plus pi by 2 and y2 ax plus b plus 2 pi by 2. Similarly, up to dot yn equal to a to the power n sin ax plus b plus n pi by 2. That is d to the power n sin ax plus b equal a to the power n sin ax plus b plus n pi by 2. This is the final result. Similarly, d to the power n cos ax plus b, another term of cos ax plus b can be written as a to the power n cos ax plus b plus n pi by 2. Okay? Okay, student? Number 7. If y equal e to the power ax sin bx plus c. Now first derivative can be written as a e to the power ax sin bx plus c by parts integration, differentiation of e to the power ax, a into e to the power ax sin bx plus c as it. Now e to the power ax as it into b cos bx plus c. Here e to the power ax is common, a sin bx plus c plus b into cos bx plus c. Now question is y e to the power ax sin bx plus c, the multiplication of two terms, but first differentiation is there are two terms of multiplication of e to the power ax sin or cos. Now we convert into one terms only, then we put equal r cos theta, b equal r sin theta. We have r is equal to under root a square plus b square, or theta is equal to tan inverse b upon a. Now y1 equal e to the power ax as it. Now putting the value of a, r cos theta sin bx plus c plus value of b, r sin theta cos bx plus c. Now here r is common, e to the power ax is common. This is the value of sin bx plus c plus theta. This is the first derivative of y. Now here we can see this is the only one terms, e to the power x sin bx plus c plus theta. It is the form of question. Now again differentiate, y2 is equal to r is common, a e to the power ax sin bx plus c plus theta as it, plus e to the power ax as it, differentiation of sin b cos bx plus c plus theta. Okay, putting again value a is equal to r cos theta, b is equal to r sin theta in this equation, and e to the power ax is common. Now r cos theta sin bx plus c plus theta, value of b, r sin theta cos bx plus c plus theta. Now here r is common, that is r square e to the power ax. Now value of sin theta into sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is this sin a plus b, that is sin bx plus c plus theta. Okay, now y2 is equal to r square e to the power ax sin bx plus c plus 2 theta. Now here we can see y2 is equal to r square e to the power ax sin bx plus c plus 2 theta. Now y1 is equal to r e to the power ax sin bx plus c plus theta. Similarly, yn is equal to r to the power e to the power ax sin bx plus c plus n theta, that is d to the power n e to the power ax sin bx plus c equal r to the power n e to the power ax sin bx plus c plus n theta. Okay, student? This is the successive differentiation of e to the power ax sin bx plus c. Similarly, d to the power n e to the power ax cos bx plus c can be written as r to the power n e to the power ax cos bx plus c plus n theta. Okay, we have r equal under root a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse b upon a. In both cases, in question number 7 and question number 8, where value of r under root a square plus b square and theta is equal to tan inverse b upon a. Okay, student? Now solve a problem. Problem is, if y equal x square minus 1 whole power n, then d to the power n y equal to factorial 2n. Okay? To solve this problem, to solve this problem, we can use binomial expansion formula. X minus a whole power n is equal to x to the power n minus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 into a square minus up to dot. Now put here x replace x square and a replace 1. Now x square minus 1 whole power n equal x to the power 2n minus nc1 x to the power 2n minus 1. Okay, into 1 plus nc2 x to the power 2n minus 2 into 1 minus up to dot. Now differentiate n times both sides. Differentiate n times with respect to x both sides. Now d to the power n x square minus 1 whole power n equal d to the power n, differentiate 2n times. Now d to the power differentiate 2n times with respect to x both sides. D to the power 2n x square minus 1. So d to the power 2n x to the power 2n minus nc1 x to the power 2n minus 1 plus nc2 x to the power 2n minus 2 or minus up to dot. This is d to the power 2n y is equal to, now differentiate of x to the power 2n times factorial 2n minus 0 plus 0. We know that differentiate 2n times of x to the power 2n minus 1, which is less than of power 2n minus 1 with respect to 2n. Therefore differentiation of this is equal to 0. Similarly value of this 0 and so on 0 0. Now d to the power of 2n y is equal to factorial 2n is a answer. Okay.